Hey guys, Big Dino here. Now, something happened that just blew my mind. A bird is almost dead. Look at this guy. Literally, I don't think he is moving. He just got hit. He is moving a bit. He's probably like really sad and stuff. But look at this. Poor creature. Oh, it's starting to go. Holy moly. Give me the camera. Oh. What is this pose? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Okay.
It's back up. It's back up. Hey, buddy. I don't think he's ready to fly yet. Hey, buddy. How's it going? Don't want to go too close to him. He's probably a tough guy.
He's like, I'm afraid.
I wonder if that's a male or a female.
Yeah. I think that.
Do you think he can attack? Look at this guy.
I think he's gonna attack us.
He's literally staring us down, bro. It's scary. What if we just stay here?
What will happen if we stay here? Is he gonna?
Wait, let's see. What if we back up? We back up.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. Over here. What happens? Okay, so he's still a little there. Alright. He ain't moving. Let's go a bit further to the complete other side of the road. Let's go. Still not moving. Alright, there's something wrong with this. Okay. Now we can't touch him. But what can we do for him to help, you know? Should we T-pose around him? Maybe that'll help. Hey.
What will happen if we stand right close to him? It's okay, little bird. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You kind of have something in it.
Yeah.
You want grass?
You want grass? Yeah. You want grass?
Oh my god. Okay, no, stop. That's alright, birdie.
It's all alright.
Close his eyes. Why is he closing his eyes? Alright, yeah, okay. Let's just go away.
And I want to stay here.
Là, il se réveille tranquillement, là.
Yep.
Allez pas trop proche, allez pas trop proche, vous allez lui faire peur. Les autres, ils ont peur de nous autres, là. Le déjeuner est prêt, là.
Okay.
Les œufs sont prêts.
Bye.